Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of mermaids with a fantastic product that's perfect for any kid's party or just some fun at home. We're talking about the 36-pack Mermaid Slime Kit Party Favors.
Now, you might think it's just for girls, but trust me, boys love these too. Let's explore why this could be the best mermaid-themed toy for your next celebration. This kit comes with 36 mini cups of slime in 3 vibrant color combinations: purple, light purple, and teal, all shimmering with a magical starlight effect. Each cup is packed in a beautiful box, making it an ideal gift or party favor for children aged 3 and up. First off, let's talk about the texture.
This slime is stretchy yet non-sticky, which means it's easy to play with and doesn't leave any mess behind. Whether you're squeezing it, twisting it, or molding it, this slime snaps back quickly, providing endless tactile fun without any residue. Not only is this slime great for fun and relaxation, but it's also fantastic for fostering creativity and imagination. Kids can create all sorts of shapes and colors, enhancing their motor skills and artistic abilities.
Plus, it's a wonderful stress reliever, perfect for those high-energy moments. Parents, rest assured, this slime kit is made from non-toxic materials. It's washable, reusable, and completely safe for kids. It's also odorless and non-irritating to the skin or eyes, so you can feel confident sharing it with friends and family. Now, why do we call it the best mermaid party favor for boys? Well, it's not just for birthday parties. It's perfect for any occasion, be it Easter, Halloween, Christmas, or even just a rainy day indoors. It's a hit for goodie bags, classroom rewards, or simply keeping the kids entertained for hours. To wrap it up, if you're looking for a versatile, safe, and incredibly fun toy that appeals to both boys and girls, look no further than the 36-pack Mermaid Slime Kit Party Favors. It's a magical addition to any kid's toy collection and a surefire way to make any party or playtime special. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Product Critique for more insightful reviews like this one. Let us know in the comments below if you've tried this slime kit or if you have any other favorite party favors for kids. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.